I'm delighted to have been elected as the new chair of Universities Wales. This is a time of great change and opportunity for higher education in Wales. Whilst recent years have undoubtedly brought challenges to the sector, there is so much to be proud of, whether that's the increase in student satisfaction, the surge in student-led startups, or powerful research showing the significant impact our universities have on the Welsh economy. With the Senedd elections on the horizon, it's an especially important moment to ensure that higher education remains at the heart of Wales's future. I'm passionate about the role our universities play as engines of opportunity, centres of research and innovation, anchors in their local communities, and as spaces that transform lives. I look forward to working with colleagues across the sector and beyond to champion the incredible work happening across our campuses and to make sure that universities continue to be among Wales's greatest assets now and for generations to come.